कृष्णा मानती हैं कि भारत टैलेंट से भरा देश है और अन्य क्षेत्रों की ही तरह भारत फैशन के क्षेत्र में भी काफी तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है, पर देश में अब भी कुछ खामियां हैं जिन्हें पूरा करना जरूरी है।
Where was the fashion industry when I started 20 years ago? There was only one store precisely, and today we have a store in every street, in every corner of every small, big towns. You're talking about A category, B plus. You're talking about even a small town in Gujarat could be having a designer store. But if you're looking at Indian fashion industry going overseas, well, India is still one country, the only country in the world where 70% of its population only wears Indian clothes. So I guess we are so unique in there that all the clothes that all the designers make in this country can be absorbed by this country. So we have yet not so much need to run beyond borders, but I would say I would be very, very happy if big labels and brands that are using Indian embroideries would pronounce it as embroidered in India with pride. This is what I would like to lobby for if I can once, because we've got such beautiful talent that is doing such beautiful work, but it's not recognized. We've got Indian designers who are doing great stuff, but it's not recognized. International designers are taking piecemeal of this and they're making lots out of it. Only if we could be able to market ourselves better, I guess we will be able to do a lot more.
कृष्णा के जानकार उनके बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं, आइए जानते हैं।
My mother and me have very similar personalities. We're both very strong-headed, know exactly what we want. Well, obviously, I always wish the best for my mom, and I have a lot to learn from you, a lot to take from you, and thanks for everything.
It's been almost 1.5 years that I've been working with her. It's a great experience, a lot of learning. As a professional, she's a tough boss, extremely disciplined and very strict to work with. But the amount that I have gained over here, the kind of knowledge and the experience is amazing. As a person, extremely warm-hearted. I'd like to wish her all the very best. She's been a great support to me, and I hope we can take this venture to another level and give her all the success she wishes for.
कृष्णा के लिए स्वदेश वो जगह है जहां उन्हें अपनी माटी के करीब रहने का मौका मिलता है और इसी माटी से जुड़े देशवासियों के लिए कुछ करने का मौका मिलता है।
Swadesh not only stands for everything that I am, but everything that is around me as well. When I talk about my country, when I talk about my people, when I talk about my talent, when I talk about my achievements, again, it's not only me, but the achievements for me and my fellow Indians. Everything to me is Swadesh. Despite of the poverty, despite of the negativity that everybody else could be having about this country, it could be polluted, it could be dirty, but you know, it's got a soul. This country has got a soul which is so pure and so enriching, and everything else means nothing.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफ़र में हम सफ़र बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।